Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to sound like Marshmallow. Wait, that's not Marshmallow. What the hell is even that? What happened to the old Marshmallow and to that EDM trap he used to make? I guess it doesn't matter anymore, so today I'm gonna show you how to sound like the old school Marshmallow. Set your tempo to 142 and then create some cool chords like this. To make it more interesting, you can add some vocal chops and don't forget to add tons of delay. For the drums, you can use a thin kick, some nice trappy snares, and for the hi-hats, make sure they're not too shiny but not too gritty either, so this is how it sounds. Oh yeah, and don't forget to add a lot of effects like crashes, white noise transitions, and risers. And add some claps playing each 4 steps. If you pay attention to the original track, you can feel that there's like a background melody, something like this. Now let's jump into my favorite part of the song, the bass. I'm gonna teach you how to do this sound in less than 1 minute. So first, open your silent 1, go to your oscillator A, select your saw wave, and do the same thing for oscillator B. And now, as you can see, I have an overdrive and a vocoder. They're basically carrying the whole sound. This is how it sounds with and without all of the effects and the processing. And don't forget to add a very fat sub bass. Oh yeah, I was missing the typical trap feel. And you can also use percussions to give more movement to the track.
This feels good right here.
As you can see, there's a few more elements in the track, but I'm not explaining every single one of them, so don't worry, you can find all of these presets and samples in the description. I hope you like it. that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Tell me what artist do you want next, and I'll be reading your comments. Take care and see you next time.